Alright, now let's go ahead see a confirmed and death cases with a static color map. So to create a static color map, what we need to do, we need to again use Plotly Express, and we have Plotly Express imported in the with the px. So let's go ahead and write here fig_c, that's mean figure for confirmed cases is equal to px dot choropleth, and then we have here a choropleth with the count. We have there country wise data, and then we have there a location, and location will be displayed as country wise, and then we have their location mode, and this location mode is country name. All right, so this is country underscore names. All right, after this we have their color mapping. So color is equal to np.log, and there we have a country wise data, and then country wise with confirmed cases. All right, and then the hover name we are gonna see with the country, and then we have here hover data is equal to confirmed. All right, perfect. So this is for the confirmed cases, and let's go ahead and copy it and create for the death cases. Okay, so this is going to change to the deaths, and here a hover data will be displayed, which will be a deaths, and then we are gonna provide their country wise data to all those deaths. All right, where the death is greater than 0 actually. All right, then we have there a country wise data. All right, so with this we have here our confirmed cases and death cases. Now apart from this, what we need to do, we need to get the data for the plot. So we have their plot, for the plot, there we have fig is equal to make subplots. All right, and there we are gonna pass that rows is equal to 1, and then calls is equal to 2, and then we have their subplots titles, and in the subplot titles we are gonna say that confirmed cases and deaths. All right, apart from that we are gonna provide here some more specs, and those specs we can provide in the form of dictionary, and that dictionary says that the type of the data which we are handling, that choropleth. All right, and then the another dictionary where we need to pass, that is the type for the death as well. So this is actually a same dictionary. All right, so once you have this, now we have our two figures and confirmed cases, death cases, and this is a original figure canvas. So we are gonna add these traces in this figure. We can add those traces with fig dot add underscore trace, and then for this fig underscore c confirmed cases dot or you can say either you can use dot, otherwise inside square bracket data. All right, sorry, I mean the data actually there, and then we are gonna use that 0th axis, and the row is equal to 1 and column is equal to 1. Similarly we can copy it and paste it here, and then instead of confirmed cases we are going to use here death cases, and then row is equal to 1 and column is equal to 2 there. And then finally I'm going to update this figure, so we can update that fig dot update, and we are going to update it with layout underscore color axis. In fact, color axis is already the true, so let's keep that. And then we have there a fig dot show. Actually it says that there is an error. Well, so the error is coming from here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just cut it, and then I'm going to put it here inside a temp variable, and then I'm going to put that temp here so that I can get the data. And then here at the color scale I'm also going to put here a temp. Alright, now let's go ahead and run it. Now once we run it, we see something. FID is not, yeah, this is actually figure. Alright, now you see we have got confirmed cases and death cases, and then we have there a color bar. Let's go ahead and remove this color bar. To remove that color bar, with the figure dot update, and then we have their layout underscore color axis underscore show scale is equal to false. So with this we have removed that color bar, and now we can see very clearly that the confirmed cases and death. So this is really looking cool. I am sure you are learning a lot in this lesson about the COVID data visualization. Thanks for watching this lesson. I'll see you in next lesson where I'll be doing deaths and recoveries per 100 cases analysis.